In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your logo into the header section of your custom form styles in the gear settings of your account. This process is a great way to personalize your forms and add a professional touch to your invoices. Let's start by navigating to the gear icon, which you can usually find in the upper right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to a variety of customizable settings, but today we're focusing on how to adjust your form styles. Once you click on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Custom Form Styles. This option allows you to tailor your forms according to your company's branding and needs. After selecting Custom Form Styles, you'll be taken to a page that lists all of the different styles you currently have set up or can edit. Your main focus should be the Edit button located next to the form style you wish to modify. Click on Edit and you'll be guided to the customization screen where various options are available to personalize your invoice appearance. Now, the key step we're concentrating on is how to upload your logo into the header section of your form. You'll see various sections you can edit, but what you want to focus on is the header section. Here you'll see an option to upload your logo, usually marked by an upload button or an image placeholder with an add logo prompt. To add your logo, click on this section and a window should pop up to allow you to select a file from your computer. The ideal format for your logo is typically a high-resolution image in either PNG or JPEG format. Select the logo file you want to use and click Open or Upload, depending on your system preference. Once your logo is uploaded, you'll usually see it appear in the preview area of your form. This gives you a chance to see how it'll look on your final invoice. If the logo doesn't meet your expectations in terms of size or clarity, consider adjusting the file on your computer and re-uploading it until you get the desired result. After your logo appears just the way you want, don't forget to save your changes. There's usually a Save button located somewhere at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking Save finalizes your customization choices and ensures your updated logo will appear in the header section of all invoices using this form style. Thank you for watching, and remember that customizing your invoices with a logo not only looks professional but also helps in reinforcing your brand identity. Don't hesitate to explore additional customization options within the custom form styles to further enhance your company's documents.